Sunflower and Rose Crown. Let's go. We're going to start with a circular uneven blob of red. This is going to be the base for the rose, and the unevenness is for the larger rose petals on the outside. Now you're going to do 2 circles of black for the starting of the sunflower. Now you're going to do rose petal shapes, and this is going to look like a blob as well, but you're just doing the base color of the sunflower. So you can do it in the shape, although it doesn't really matter. We're going to fix it later anyways. Now you're going to go in with a light pink. This is going to be for the rose petals. The rose petals are going to be small and close together in the middle, and as they go out to the outskirts of the rose, they are going to get bigger and more spread apart. I'm just using a little small detail brush for this. There's no special pattern for this. You can look at a rose or you could just do random circles. It all turns out really well. I did this one looking at a rose, but I did the other one just freehanding it, and it turned out just as well. Now we're going to go in with a dark red to divide the light pink and the light pink. That's all we're dividing. We're just dividing those 2 colors. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Okay. Yep. Now I'm going in with the light brown mixed with yellow to divide up the petals. And I'm going to go in between each one with the light brown so it looks like each petal is individual, like that. And now I'm going to take this fan brush and I'm going to brush on brown. This is not light brown, this is just dark brown. And I'm creating dots on there as well, and lines. Yeah, just lines to give it detail. Lines and dots, it could be random, you're choosing. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush and go on the outskirts of the circle to make it look like it's blended in with the sunflower. I almost said rose, it's a sunflower. And then I'm going to go with the yellow and with the same type of brush, same technique. Make sure it's fluffy. And then I'm going to go with a little brush and I'm going to go in between each rose petal. You see, it's a sunflower. I keep getting this wrong. And it just divides up the petals again. And I'm alternating between the sunflower and the rose so I can let each dry. Now I'm going back in with the red that we used to do the blob. And this mixed in with the white creates the outskirts of the flower to be lighter than the inside of the flower. And you're going to do this for the whole flower. And I go back in with white just to lighten it up if I think it got too dark. Now I'm going to go in with black and go underneath the rose petals and drag it out with my finger so it looks like it's faded. It's crazy how this changes the whole game of the flower. And there you go. There you go. Haha. See, now you can take your selfies. Nah, are you gonna take it? Are you gonna take it? Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, bye.